Want to create authentic video ads with a model holding your product, or create viral reels for social media marketing? In this video, we will compare two AI tools that generate UGC ads and virtual try-on videos and help you decide which one is the best choice for you. Let's start with Creatify. Creatify takes a product URL from Amazon, Shopify, or eBay. It pulls details from your website, automatically writes a script. It generates a video ad with a realistic AI avatar speaking about the product and delivers a polished result with almost zero manual input.
कंफर्ट की तलाश में हैं? बेबी ड्रोगो होम एंड ऑफिस चेयर आपका परफेक्ट सॉल्यूशन है। ये एर्गोनोमिक डिजाइन आपके लंबे घंटे के गेमिंग या ऑफिस वर्क को बना देता है आरामदायक।
With Creatify, you can create attention-grabbing AI shorts with multiple styles. It comes with a video editor to convert dull videos into engaging stories. Creatify even allows you to create ads for games and real estate, enabling AI-powered marketing for multiple business domains.
You can make real money with this game. Just dived into Max Cash, where my mastery skill turns into real cash. Easy wins.
What makes Creatify especially powerful is its customization. You can create custom avatars that reflect your brand personality. You can select from over 100 voices, turning AI avatars into an authentic person. Custom avatars are only available in the premium version and not in the free trial. This makes Creatify ideal for affiliate marketers, businesses, and product owners in creating explainer-style content or personalized video pitches. Now let's talk about Topview. Topview does something visually different and incredibly effective for social media. You upload a single image of your product, and it creates videos where AI avatars are holding or interacting with it, as if they're real customers showing it off.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products.
Topview also offers virtual try-ons, so you can upload images of fashion items such as glasses, shoes, and dresses to visualize how it'd look on different people. That means no extra cost for hiring models and photographers. The focus here is realism and relatability. You can generate user-generated content-style ads that feel native to TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. It's quick, visually dynamic, and mimics influencer content without hiring one.
क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है? घंटों काम और कमर दर्द? गलत कुर्सी आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी को कर सकती है डाउन। अब बोए बी होम और ऑफिस चेयर के साथ कहो दर्द को बाय।
Topview is trained to recognize your specific product from just one image, perfect for e-commerce brands with physical items. Both the tools offer AI avatar videos, URL to video, multilingual audio generation, and AI script generation in common. Creatify provides batch mode for bulk processing that Topview is missing. Although Topview offers the ability to visualize your products, Topview's minimum plan starts at $19 a month, whereas Creatify's premium starts at $39 a month. So which one is right for your marketing goals? If you are an affiliate marketer or a solopreneur or a startup with many product listings on e-commerce sites, Creatify allows you to generate fully ads to build a recognizable brand voice with explainers, demo videos, or trust-building content. On the other hand, if you're focused on social media marketing, UGC-style ads, or launching high-volume visual content fast, especially for physical products, Topview gives you that natural influencer-like feel without real influencers. Both tools offer a free trial, so use the links in description and try out both the tools to see which one is the best fit for you. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.